So I'm recording this. You can see the view of morning looks very beautiful, and now the time is 6 a.m. and today is 21 August and today is Friday, and the Friday we have so many patients in our hospital because in the Friday the Dr. B.C. Sehrawat from QRG hospital came to our hospital and see patient. So many patients because of Dr. BC, and the time is so today is, I think, a very busy day. I don't have time today for anything, so I decided to make videos and at home at least 10 minutes to do my speaking practice, and I improve. So you can see the view of mornings look very beautiful, and I know my videos don't have any content, so people watch my videos, they don't feel motivated to see my videos, but these videos is for the English improvement. If anyone want to improve their English, then they definitely listen my videos, and these videos is really going to help them, because I'm starting this journey because of improving my speaking skills. And this is you can see the view of morning is look very beautiful, and now the sun is, I think, rising. You can see the sky is reddish color, light orange and light orange color, and I can show you the how the if in within 10 minutes, if the sun is rise, then I can show you the morning sun, and this is a very beautiful scene, because in today's time so many people woke up late because they use phone in the late night, so that's why they woke up late in the morning, and that's why they do not see the morning view. But the morning view is seriously very beautiful, and I think I should last night I watched some videos on YouTube related to news, what is going on. So I watched NASA invited India to moon base mission, because Donald Trump cut the 23% of NASA budget, so that's why NASA wanted to share their so that's why NASA invited India to share finance and include India in their moon mission, so they can establish their base on moon. And it's really very no, because this is the first time in the history because women outside the earth establishing their base on another planet, because the moon is the satellite of earth, and because we only see stars in the sky, we only see moon, but we don't know how much far moon is us to you, because moon is so much far us to you. Because actually I also want to and now you can see the morning view, and it's look really very beautiful. Now the sun is now coming, and the sun is now coming, you can see, and it's look clearly. And now that let's talk about something, maybe describe something else, what you like, what you don't like. Actually I like so many things. I just want to enjoy my life, and I don't want to waste every moment of my life. I just want to invest my every second of my time in the things that exciting for me, that's give me happiness, that give me pleasure. These are the, I don't know the pleasure is the right word to use here, because I think the meaning of pleasure is I'm very much happy. This is the, I think this is the correct meaning. Now you can see the sun is now, you can see the light, and it's look really very beautiful. I don't know in camera it look beautiful or not, but if you see this light by you, then it's look very beautiful. It's look like different things. No, you know, it's look like this is I think this is very different looking. So now let's talk about something else. What is something else, because I have to think so much, because in my mind is empty. So you can see the sun is coming, and it's look really very beautiful, and I can show you the morning sun, and this is really looks very beautiful. You can see the sun is, how the sun is clearly looking beautiful. And oh, now the sun is coming out and you can see, look, it's look really really very beautiful. It's look like a very beautiful things. So this is all about. And now let's talk about something else. But something else, I also watch news related to what is going between America and Iraq. These countries are involved with them, and the Gulf is also disturbed by the war of these countries, because in Gulf countries like UAE is really a very famous country. UAE is a global hub for tourism, and in the UAE countries the peoples have to pay so very low tax. That's why so many people. So you can see the morning view, and it's look really really very beautiful. So now the sun is come, and the time is around 6:15 and the sun is come. You can see the guys, it's look really really very beautiful. And actually I use these words really really very beautiful, because I don't have words to speak. My mind is empty when we talk about English. My mind is empty, but I feel I'm doing good, not bad, because this is my starting phase and I can describe so many things and I don't feel any hesitated, and I don't need to convert these things in my mind. So I can tell, I directly whatever the things in my mind, I directly speak, and I don't need to convert these things in my mind, because I read so much, I watch so many videos on YouTube, and this is really going to help me in my speaking. This is really improve my reading skills, my understanding of English. But this is not improve my speaking skills, because I do not practice. And so this is the reason. Now the time is, now the guys, you can see the view is very 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 beautiful. So this is the morning sun. And uh, what something else? Nothing, seriously, I have nothing in my mind is, when we talk about English, the mind is completely blank, nothing to discuss. So let's discuss what I am doing right now. I am revising my notes, because I make my notes for on history, on polity, on geography, and I just revising these notes. After that, around 6:30 I am going down, because I am on the terrace, and I am going down and make but make food for my family, because after that I just take bath and go to hospital. And you can see the view, and this is look seriously very beautiful. It's look like so much beautiful view. I think my phone camera is not clear, but clear is some extent it is clear now. So I'm going to stop this. So okay, bye.